Christianity and Islam both trace their origins to Abraham. Abraham is a key figure in both religious traditions. He is revered as a prophet in both Christianity and Islam. Both religions emphasize Abraham's monotheistic faith. Abraham's covenant with God is central to both faiths. Biblical and Quranic verses highlight Abraham's significance. Monotheism, the belief in one God, is central to both Christianity and Islam. Visual metaphors, like a single radiating light, represent God's oneness. God's attributes, such as mercy, are described in both scriptures. Justice is another attribute of God shared between Christianity and Islam. Compassion is also a key attribute of God in both faiths. These shared attributes highlight a common understanding of God's nature. Christianity and Islam both highlight charity, compassion, and justice. Acts of kindness, like feeding the poor, exemplify these values. Helping the needy is another key demonstration of ethical behavior. The Bible and Quran promote social responsibility and moral conduct. Textual overlays will present teachings from both religious texts. This emphasizes the shared moral values between Christianity and Islam.